The LFA, a new breed of Lexus, employing a unique carbon fiber reinforced plastic body for exceptional integrity and lightweight construction. The LFA achieves a breathtaking performance with the all-new 4.8-liter V10 engine, acoustically tuned to deliver a dramatic Formula One inspired sound. This combination rockets the LFA to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds and reaches a top speed of 202. Operated by steering wheel mounted paddle shifters with 7 gear shift speeds, the automated sequential gearbox works hand in glove with the engine to put the driver in full control. Riding on a double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension and offering 4 driving modes: auto, sport, normal, and wet. Open the LFA doors and witness the dramatic low-slung cockpit, drizzled with satin metal accents. Featuring a remote touch system and a 12-speaker sound system. The 2011 LFA, the next big thing.
Now more than ever, car buyers are looking for something they can count on. At Germain Lexus of Dublin, it's known as quality, dependability, and reliability. Plus, Germain Lexus offers the largest selection of Lexus vehicles in Ohio, along with world-class customer service. Not to mention, Germain Lexus is also a recipient of the prestigious Elite of Lexus Award. Come experience luxury the Germain way at Lexus of Dublin, conveniently located at Sawmill Road and 161.